The Making of a Scientist Lesson 6. As a high school junior, Richard Everett continued his advice experiment on the monarch pupa. That year, his project won first place at the International Science Fair and gave him another chance to work in an army laboratory during the summer. In his senior year, he went a step further. He gave cells from a monarch wings in a culture and showed that the cells would divide and develop into the normal butterfly wings scales only if they were fed the hormone from a gold spot. That project won first place for a zoology at the international fair. He spent the summer after a graduation doing further work at the army laboratory and at the laboratory of the US Department of Agriculture. As a high school junior, Richard Edbritt continued his advanced experiment on the monarch pupa. As a school junior on that time, he just started his experiment on the monarch pupas. He just selected that is the monarch pupa. That year, his project won first place at the International Science Fair. On that time, he just take the first year project on place that international science fair. He just won the first prize in the international science fair and gave him another chance to work in the army laboratory during the summer. Then another prize he got it, give the chance of the work in army laboratory during the summer. In his senior year, the next senior year, he went a step further. He just went to step further. He gave cells from a monarch wings in the culture and showed that the cells would advise the developed into the normal butterfly wing scales only if they were fed the hormone from the gold spot. They fed the hormones on the gold spot. Then that the project won first place for the zoology at the international fair, and that time the project won the first place the zoology at the international fair. At the senior, he just got it the first prize afterwards in another project. He spent his summer after graduation doing the further work at the army laboratory and the laboratory of the US Department of the Agriculture. Then after that, in a summer period, he spent the some time and he just work on that the project in US Department of the Agriculture. The following summer, after his freshman year at the Harvard University, Edwards went back to the laboratory of the Department of Agriculture and did more work on the hormone from the gold spot. After in a following summer period, his summer period after his freshman year of that Harvard University, Edwards went back to the laboratory department and agriculture and did more work on the hormones form of the gold spot. He just work on that the gold spot hormone, especially using the laboratory sophisticated instruments. Sophisticated means advanced instrument. He just used the advanced instrument. He was able to identify the hormones chemical structure. Then after that, he was able to identify the hormones of the chemical structure. He get the success. A year and a half later, half of the year of later, during his junior year, Edbritt got the ideas for his new theory about the cell life. After that, Edbritt get the ideas about the new theory's cell life. It came while he was looking at the X-ray, that is the looking at the X-ray photos of the chemical structure of the hormones. Then that is the cells work is looking in that the X-ray and that as well as the chemical structure of the hormone. When he saw those spot photos, Edbritt didn't shout Eureka. When he saw that the photos on that time, he get the happy and he utter that the word Eureka, Eureka. On that, even I have got it, and then after that he say I have got it. But he believed that Along with his finding about the insect hormones, the photos gave him the answer to one of the biology puzzles. Then after that he get it and he believe on that. Then the finding of the insect hormone, the photos gave him the answer to one of the biology puzzles. How the cell can read the blueprint of the its DNA. That is a blueprint of the DNA. DNA is the substance in the nucleus of cells that control heredity. The DNA is a cells of the nuclear and is a control of the heredity. The determines the form and function of the cell. Thus, the DNA is the blueprint of the life. In short, DNA is a blueprint of the life. DNA means is a chemical name for that the molecules that carries genetics instructions in all of the living things. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid means DNA. Reed and his college roommate James R. Wong worked all that the night drawing picture and constructing plastic model of the molecules to show how it could happen. Edbritt and his roommate is the name of James R. Wong. He both are worked the whole night drawing the picture and constructing plastic model and molecules to show how could it happen. Together they later wrote the paper that explained the theory. Then after that both are write one theory. It is a name of that paper that explained the theory. Surprising no one who knew Rich Edbritt graduate from the Harvards with the highest honor, second in the class of 1510. Edbritt went on to become a graduate student researcher at the Harvard Medical School. Then only Edwin is a graduate student researcher at the Harvard Medical School. There he began doing the experiment to test his theory. There he doing that experiment test of the theory. If the theory proves correct, it will be the big step towards the understanding the process of life. If that the theories get the success and it is approved, then it will be get that the understanding the process of the life. It might also lead to new ideas for the preventing some type of the cancer and other disease. Then it might be the lead to new ideas for the preventing some type of the cancer and other disease. Then we get that some ideas regarding that the type of the cancer and other the disease. All of this the possible because of the Edbritt scientist curiosity, and it is possible because the Edbritt scientist curiosity. His high school research into the purpose of the spot on the monarch pupa eventually led him in is the theory about the cell life. In his high school research, it is the purpose of the spot in from his high school level that research is regarding that the purpose of the spot of the monarch pupa eventually led him to the theory about the cell life. Richard Edbritt has been interested in a science since he first began collecting butterflies. He just take interest in since he first time he began the collecting the butterflies, but not so deeply that he hasn't time for other interest, but not so deeply that he hasn't time for the other interests. Edbritt also became a champion debater and public speaker and a good canoeist and all-around outdoor person. Edbritt, as well as he was a good champion debater, then public speaker, then a good canoeist and all around the outdoor person. Then he is also an expert photographer. Then after that he was a great expert photographer, particularly of the nature and scientific exhibit, particularly that is the nature and the scientific exhibit. He has a lot of good qualities in during the scenes of that the student level. In a high school, Richard Edward was a straight A student. Because learning was easy, he turned a lot of his energy towards of the debating and the model United Nation clubs. He just gave a lot of energy towards of the debating and the model United Nation club. He also found someone to admire Richard's A. Whether he is the special social studies a teacher and the advisor to both clubs. He is the social studies teacher and advisor to both of the clubs. Mr. Weather was the perfect person for me then. He opened my mind to new ideas, Edward said. Edward said, that is the special to teacher help me regarding that open that my mind's ideas, and then he gave me that the chance. Richard would always give him that the extra effort, Mr. Weather said. Weather said that the teacher he said the Richard always give that the extra effort. What a peasant me was here was his a person who put in 3 or 4 hours at a night doing the debate research beside doing all his research with the butterflies and his other interest. Richard would always give that the extra effort according to that the weather said. Then what he plays me then here was his the person who put in the 3 4 hours continuously at a night during the debate of the researcher besides doing the all of the research with the butterflies. Then Richard was competitive. Mr. Wade continued, but not in the bad sense, he explained. Richards wasn't interested in the winning for the winning's sake or the winning to get the prize. Rather, he was winning because he wanted to do the best job he could. He always win because he wanted to do the best job. That's why he just win it for the right reason. He want to be the best, and he got the right reason. That's why he want to become a best, and that is one of the ingredients in that making of the scientist. Ingredient is himself, and it the making the scientist start with the first rate mind, add the curiosity, and mix in will to win for the right of the reason. Then just start with the first rate mind, then we just start with the mind, then add curiosity, we should be add the curiosity and mix the it with will of the win for the right of the reason. Edbit has these the qualities. Edbit had this quality that's why he just win each and every theories and his life. From the time of the book, the travel of monarchs 10 opened the world of the science to him. Richard Edward has never lost his scientific curiosity. From that the book, he didn't lost his curiosity of the scientist. He was a great scientist we saw in our lesson. I hope that everyone understood better.